We've got more tools than ever. So why does work feel so much harder?
See, the problem isn't a lack of tools, it's how they're all stuck together. It's a digital obstacle course. A lot of companies just throw apps at a problem, and what you end up with are these disconnected silos.
So you're jumping between tabs, getting pinged everywhere. It's just digital chaos, plain and simple. Now, there's a huge difference between just a pile of apps and a truly connected ecosystem.
And that's where something like Zoho Workplace comes in. It's built to work like one seamless team.
Okay, first big problem, collaboration overload. You ever feel like your job is just logging into stuff? Imagine this. You set your out of office once, and it actually updates everywhere, automatically.
Or how about this? You can switch a call from your laptop to your phone and nobody even notices.
All right, next up, monotony. You know, all those boring, repetitive tasks that just drain your day.
Check this out. In Zoho Writer, a plagiarism checker is built right in. It's like a final proofread.
Zoho Click can even analyze your message tone. Are you coming across the way you think you are?
And this is so important. Collaboration without context is just noise. Your tools need a purpose.
So you could manage your entire sales pipeline right from your inbox. No more switching apps.
Okay, let's talk data. Our tools create a mountain of it. The real trick is finding what's useful.
The whole point is to go from endless logs and numbers to insights you can actually use.
With Zoho's dashboards, you get that big picture instantly. You can spot trouble before it even starts.
And finally, the meeting that could have been an email. We've all been there, right?
The solution is asynchronous communication, basically sharing info without needing a live meeting.
So in Zoho Work Drive, you just record your screen and voice. It makes explaining things so much clearer.
It's really like a duck on a pond. It looks calm and effortless, but there's a lot going on underneath.
So it really comes down to this. Are your tools working for you, or are you working for them?